Welcome! Today we're going to discuss the installation of DDS GP, and in particular, how to locate DDS GP in the App Store. As with all of our instructions, we recommend using two devices, one to follow these instructions and the other your iPad so you can try things out in real time. Okay, let's get started. To install DDS GP, open the App Store on your iPad or iPhone and search for DDS GP. Once you have located it, tap to download and install. That's it. As always, we encourage you to incorporate DDS GP into all of your treatment plans, no matter how big or small. If you have any questions or comments, please visit our website at www.ddsgp.com.